I'm going to be showing Fran here how to use the Kansa wand and the Kansa oil together, depending on your skin. If your skin is more dry, you're obviously going to need a little bit more oil. But this oil, although it absorbs beautifully, once it sits on the skin, it gives a beautiful slide and glide for the Kansa wand. So go ahead and take a couple of drops and just see for yourself what's going to feel great on your face, okay? Drier skin a little bit more, heavier skin a little bit less. And you can just take it and touch it various places and then do some gentle movements to make sure that it's well distributed all over where we're going to be touching. How is that feeling for you?
It feels lovely. It's been so dry lately that this just feels like my skin is saying, thank you for the drink. This feels wonderful.
Yeah. So with that, let's pick up the wand, and remember, however you hold it, it should feel really comfortable in your own hand. So keep your wrist comfortable, your arm relaxed. Yeah? Remember, this is meant to be completely enjoyable, right? Fantastic. Do you feel more evened?
Yes, it's amazing. You know, the feeling of being out of balance wasn't so strong until I feel like now it's in balance. It's subtle, and it's really easy to feel it inside of yourself. I think it's maybe hard to ask somebody else to feel or what they're seeing, because you're feeling this very, very deeply. Even though I know it's, you know, the external, it's something very soothing inside.
And I can tell you, looking at you, I see much more brightness in your eyes, much more fullness in your cheeks. And it really is like you've just gotten a fantastic night's sleep. It's like you're just waking up fresh and alive. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Great news! When you order the Kansa wand, you're getting the Kansa oil absolutely free.